Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Trello card from a submission of a Google form. For our scenario for today, I'm using an incident report. So the idea is that you've got a Google form which your employees use to submit or report an incident, and you want to go and create a Trello card as soon as it's submitted. So I've already gone ahead and created a Google form. It's a very simple form. It's got an attachment and a few fields on it. And I've already created a Trello board as well. Let's get it started. So head back to Zenphi. First thing I'm going to do is create a new flow. Our trigger, this is the event which starts the process. In our case, is a Google form. So I'm going to select Google form as the trigger. Let's start configuring the trigger. So I already have a connection available here. If you don't have one, you just click on the plus button, authenticate and authorize using the user account which has got access to the Google form. And next step, I'm going to go and select the Google form. I believe I put it in the folder called incident report. This is the form. I just select the form, and as soon as I select the form, you can see all the fields available on the form. They're going to show up here. That means now I've got access to all of those values within my flow. So let's do the right thing. Let's give this a good name as well. Incident report. Let's say Google Forms to Trello. Just save. Okay, the next step is we just want to add a card to Trello. Now let's go to the Trello section down here, expand it and drag and drop create card. Just a reminder, I could do this as well. Click on the plus button, drag and drop, scroll down, or just search for Trello and select it. Now that I've added a Trello card, I need to do the same thing. I've got a Trello connection already. If you don't have one, again, just click on the plus button and create one. Let's select the board card incident, and I want to add one to the reported list. Let's populate the card title. For the card title, I want to use the value which user puts in a title, incident title on Google form. And I'm going to populate a few more fields like descriptions. Let's populate description and attachment and label as well, maybe. I'm going to mark it as red because it's coming as red. For description, I'm going to dynamically construct a description just to show you it's possible. So let's go back to the form. So there are a few other fields here. You can either have them as custom field on your Trello board, or you can just put them all in description. So I'm just gonna construct a description by adding all these values and also the description the user may put in at the bottom. So let's go back here. I want to expand it and say these are the fields I need. The incident location I put in there. I actually start typing. Incident location, comma, this one, press enter. Incident type, I put it there, and maybe I put the incident, the description as well. So let me start by typing in incident type, comma, and then description provided by the user. I put an extra space in between them. Press enter. Next step, let's actually add the date as well. Maybe we can say the start date is the date when the incident was reported, because we're capturing that information from the form. It's called incident date. I'll leave it there. Okay, the next step is for us to populate the attachments. We cannot select the attachments because the way the Google form send it to us, we cannot select it just like that. But the good news is that with one action, we'll be able to select them. So all we need to do is use something called query collection. It's an action. Here, I'm going to go and say, go get this all of the payload collection from the trigger and pretty much retain everything that is there. And here say get attachments. That's all I need to do. If I come down here, expand this, from the output of get attachments, I can attach the payloads. That's pretty much it. Now let's do a test run. I'm gonna publish the flow. It's going to run to register in Google form. Press complete registrations. Just a heads up, if you ever face an issue in this part, most probably it's because you have signed into your Google Chrome using multiple accounts. So multiple Google accounts. Just sign out, do this once in an incognito mode, publish the flow, and then you'll be good to go. So now that it's published, let's actually run a test. So going to here, I only have got one card here. I'm going to go back to Google Form. Submit it. Say here. Say secure. Well, just say broken window. The date was today. It happened in our San Francisco office. It's a security breach, and I'm going to attach a photo. Let's see what I have here. Well, this is not the best representation, but for the demo would do. I attached the photo. When I got to the office in the morning, I noticed my office window was broken. Submit. Now, as soon as I press submit, an instance of the flow starts running in the background, and we should see a new card get added here. And as you can see, it's already added. Let's expand the card, and as you can see, it's got the title we specified. The description is whatever we specified: San Francisco office security breach. And when I got to the office, it was broken, and even better, it's got the attachment as well, and the red label. So this was a very simple way of doing it. Of course, you can add a lot more logic here. You can keep monitoring this card, and as soon as it's moved, for example, to a certain stage, it's moved to here or here, go back and notify the user. And towards the end, you can go, imagine you wanted to generate a document based on incident document for your compliance. You can use generate document, either using Google Docs template or using Google Slide template or a PDF document as well using HTML and all those things. You can do that, archive it, and you can create multiple dashboards, put them in different systems. So everything is just really up to you how you want to optimize or design this process. Hopefully you find this helpful, and please let us know if you've got any suggestions or you've got any questions. Thank you very much.